I am so excited. I have got a Christmas shopping haul to share with you. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. And double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's jump into it. I have not shared a shopping haul in a very long time. As a matter of fact, I've not done a shopping haul in a very long time. And I really hadn't planned to go shopping anytime soon, but I heard that Michael's had a 50% off sale and I had to go and check it out. Now, I have not done my unboxing for my Christmas decor, so I had to be strategic about what I picked up today. But I think I picked up some really nice items. Let me show you what I got. And I'm going to show you the very first thing I put in my cart. And the very first thing that I put in my cart were these two little trees. I absolutely love Christmas trees. And Christmas trees are 50% off. And these were just too sweet. And the nice thing about these trees is that they work all winter long. I mean, I've got a tree like this in my backyard, and it looks like this probably until March. So these will not only be perfect for Christmas, but for all year long. And I'm just going to have my whole house just peppered with little trees all over the place. So these are the first two things that I got. And the other thing that I picked up was this lantern. Just look at this. Oh my goodness, I just think it is so beautiful. And it lights up. Look at there. And it's just what I needed. And I was wanting a new piece for the kitchen. So I think I'm going to put it over there by my coffee bar, but we'll see. Regardless, this is going in the kitchen. But I just truly love this little piece. And now the trees were regularly $20, and since they were half off, I got them each for $10. So 2 for the price of 1. And then this lantern was regularly $70, and I got it on sale for $35. So, and I believe this was the last one they had too. So, and then look at the detailing here on the top. I just love all of that. So I don't have to add any embellishments to it at all. So there's that. The other thing I picked up was this wreath. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? I just really love it. I love the rustic look of it. I like the little bells. I like the cinnamon sticks, the pine cones, and of course the holly berries and that kind of thing. So I really fell in love with this wreath, and as I said, everything is 50% off. So I picked this wreath up for $20. And when you think about how much you spend buying picks and different things like that and trying to embellish these wreaths, this was a pretty good coup to find one already put together that was perfect for what I wanted. And I think it's either going to go on the front door or on the mirror in my entryway. We'll have to see. So once I got the wreath, then I needed to find, and as I'm really thinking it's going to go on the mirror in my entryway. So with that being the case, I wanted to find a garland that would complement it to put on my stair rail. So let me show you what I got. Look at this garland. Isn't that beautiful? It's got the flocked pine cones, and then it's also got little stacks of little branches, and some of the magnolia leaves are here that's also on the wreath. And it does have some cotton balls on it, and then of course the poinsettias. So I just thought this would look very nice in the hallway right next to that. And I will tell you, my husband did go shopping with me under duress. We had our first really big snow last night, so the streets were kind of messy, so he was driving me around. So all while we were in the shop, he was like, how are you going to store it? How are you going to store it? How are you going to store it? What do you have from last year? So I was really trying to be strategic about what I picked up, because he's right. I did need to consider how I'm going to store it and think about what I had from last year. But I knew I didn't have that or anything like that. And I picked up a new wreath holder, and I thought this was so cute. It had this little Santa sleigh at the top of it, and then the wreath will be held here. So this was just too cute. So I got that. And then every year I buy a bag of pine cones, and then the cinnamon sticks, and oh, they smell just so amazing. So I'll be using these to scent the house. And then, of course, ribbon. Ribbon was one of the main things that I went for, and I got 2 rolls of this red wire ribbon. And as I said, everything was 50% off, so this ribbon is normally $10 a roll. It was on sale for $5 a roll. And then more ribbon. I needed more ribbon because I needed ribbon for package wrapping. I really like to really make my gift packages look really nice, and I really like this assortment of ribbon that came in this box. So there's that, and then some tape for wrapping packages, and then my husband also picked up some glue sticks because he's been working on quite a few projects himself, so we need some glue sticks. Let me just move a few things behind us so we've got some room up here. One of the things I'm always aware that I need more of is pillows. My husband's favorite thing. More pillows. But I thought this would look really sweet in the family room against that chocolate leather sofa that we have. And it's one of those that just says 'twas the night before Christmas, and then, so I think the little ones will have fun shaking this pillow. And it was regularly $35, and it was on sale, half off. And then a couple other things that I got that I always end up needing was this garland, and I really like this garland. This kind of I don't know, reminded me of the little lamb's ears, but just a little bit smaller with the pearl pins on it. This was the only one like that they had. So I grabbed it up because I wasn't sure. I can always return it if I don't need it, but I wanted to get it because I really liked it and did see the others. They had quite a few of these little berry garlands. So I picked that one up. And oh, it just dawned on me, I forgot to see if she gave me this one for free, because if you spent $40, you were supposed to get a little nutcracker this size for free. I'll have to check my receipt and see if she gave me that for free. But anyway, this nutcracker also came. And then I found these 2 sweet little red truck picks. You know, the red truck has been trending for the last couple of years, and it's still trending this year, and I just think it is just so sweet. So picked up a couple of those. And I always have to get a cardinal because I love cardinals. And my backyard is always full of them during the wintertime because I do feed the birds in the winter. So I had to pick this up. And you know when they say a cardinal is nearby, there's an angel that's nearby. So I always like to get a cardinal and think about my dad. And then I thought these rustic bells would look really sweet out on the porch. I'm working on a little rustic look on the front porch, which I've started with my lantern, but we'll see what I do with these. So, more bells. And I got 2 rolls of wrap. This is really cute. And it's just got words all over it. And I kind of like that. So this will be a nice change from what I normally get. So I got 2 rolls of wrapping paper. And then the last thing I got at Michael's was this. And I needed another piece to go on this wall on that side. I've got a really cute piece that I always put over here, but I felt like I didn't have just the right thing for that end of the wall. So ain't this adorable? I just thought it was just so cute. So this is what I'm going to be using to put on that side of the kitchen wall. So now these are all the things that I got from Michael's. I did pick up a few things from Target, and let me show you those. First of all, I usually put a Christmas tree here in the kitchen, and so this little mini Christmas tree skirt I got at the Target bullseye spot, and it was just $5, and I usually put a little one over there. And I've got the buffalo check going on in the kitchen this year with the valances, so this should complement that. And then my oldest granddaughter and I always host a cookie swap at Christmas time. This will be our 3rd annual Christmas cookie swap this year. So I found this book about Christmas cookie swap. So it was like, what else? I had to pick it up. And this was in the $5 shop as well. So me and my sisters plan on checking this out to see what kind of cookies we want to make for this year's cookie swap. And I just found this and thought it was too cute. Just too absolutely adorable. It says, made with love, Mrs. Claus Cookie Company, baked fresh and served nightly. And I thought about it when I saw secondhand Tracy Ann's Mrs. Claus challenge for a Christmas kitchen tour. And I just had to get it. So this was so cute. And if you're not familiar with secondhand Tracy Ann, I'll link her invitation to her Mrs. Claus kitchen Christmas kitchen tour challenge below. So, but I got that. And then they also had these little table runners. And I thought this was really cute. I might want to use it here on the counter for when I set some things up. I don't know, but I went ahead and picked it up. And whatever I decide I don't want, I can always return. And then I got a little matching wall hangings. They're just like little plaques. I was thinking they were more coasters, but they just say Mrs. Claus Bakery, and what else do they say? There's 3 of them inside. And I really wanted to know what they said, and I didn't want to open them in the store, you know, be rude. But so this one just says Mrs. Claus Bakery. This one says Santa's Workshop. And this one says Gift Wrapping Warehouse. And oh, I think that is so cool. Gift Wrapping Warehouse, that's what this is. Yeah, exactly that. So these are really cute, and they'll certainly be finding their way in my Christmas decor this year. Who knows, it might even be in my vignette. We'll see. And I got this little garland, or a banner I should say, and it's just like little houses. Little Christmas houses. So I got that. Don't tell me what I'm going to do with it. And then just a little pick. I like the green and the gold, and I was thinking about putting this on a package for my oldest grandson. And of course, the ornament, that's the little red truck. So pick that up. And this was $5. And then these little bottle brush trees that just say joy. I thought that was really cute too. And this was $3. So there's that. And then this little gift tag that says no peeking. I thought that'd be really cute on my oldest grandson's package. And then these are just a couple other little things that I got for another package, so I won't share those now. So these are the few things here that I got from the Target Bullseye spot. And then all of my other goodies from Michael's at their 50% off sale. So let me just take this opportunity to let you guys know that I'm going to make this video part of a collaboration with Miss Cheryl's Place and Everyday Living with Karen Jeter. They are doing a Christmas decorations unboxing, and what they wanted us to do was either show us unboxing our Christmas decor, which I'm not doing just yet because it's still up in the attic, or a haul or something that we've purchased. And I thought, well, I could share with them this haul that I've got. And I probably wouldn't have gotten this haul quite so soon, except that I've learned that when Michael's puts their 50% off sale in the news, if there's something you want, if you don't get it when the getting's good, you'll miss out. So I thought, let me get on out there today and pick up a few things that I knew that I needed. If you're not familiar with Miss Cheryl's Place or Everyday Living with Karen Jeter, I will link their channels below so that you can check them out. And I will also link the playlist so that you can see what all the other creators have done. And if you like this video, I will share with you my Christmas unboxing from last year. I can't share that with you right now. And then of course some of the Christmas in July videos that I've done, and a few other things. And if you're hosting Christmas dinner, I think my Thanksgiving 101 playlist will have some items on it that will be perfect for your holiday dinner, regardless of whether it's Thanksgiving or Christmas. So be sure and check that out. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 25 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, I'm going to have to get this stuff put away. So I will see you in the next video.